Once again, welcome and hello. As promised, I said that we would continue from number 4, which is here, up to the end, and we will also cover the other issues that I mentioned. So let's keep it going. So, here, as mentioned, we have many tasks. Okay, we have many tasks. And to complete here, it is infinitive, which functions as a noun. Then we have food here. Right? So, what's the infinitive which functions as a noun? It's this one, to eat. A friend. It's a noun, and to talk to, to talk to, it's our infinitive. Then we have shoes, right? It's the noun, and to walk in, this is infinitive, which functions as a noun. A computer. It's what? It's a computer. It's our noun to use at work, or to use at work. Actually, we know this one, that this is phrase, right? Infinitive phrase. As this one was also here, we had an infinitive phrase here. A movie. The noun, to watch. It's infinitive, which functions as an adjective. Papers, or noun, to sign. It's again infinitive, which functions as a noun. So this is completely over here. This discussion is over here. Now we're going to cover the other discussion. This discussion is also covered completely. The third one, infinitive as adverb. Infinitive as adverb. First of all, what is adverb itself? As I talked about, what was adjective itself? What is an adverb itself? Adverb, it modifies or describes a verb. It modifies or describes a verb. For example, I say, I write fast. So here, it talks about writing, right? It talks about writing. It doesn't talk about, for example, It talks about writing. It doesn't describe me. It describes the way that I'm writing. Or, for example, I can say, she speaks nicely. Here, nicely doesn't say that she is nice. It says that, hey, I don't say that she is nice. I say that the way that she speaks is nice, right? The way that she speaks, that is nice. This color is not so clear. Let me change it to this one. The same thing happens here. It doesn't say that I am fast. What does it say? It says that the way that I write is fast. Okay? It says that the way that I write is fast. So up to here, we understood that what is adverb itself. Adjective was talking about noun, but adverb is talking about verb. When we say that what does an infinitive, when does an infinitive function as an adverb, clearly I would say that when infinitive or infinitive phrase comes after a noun, not a noun, sorry, an adjective, as your book mentioned, it is when infinitive functions as a noun. I repeat it again. When infinitive or infinitive phrase comes after an adjective, that is when we say that infinitive is functioning as a adverb. Sorry, as an adverb. For example, I say I'm glad to see you. Glad, it's an adjective. To see you here, they say that this is adverb. Ready. Ready here, it's an adjective, right? Ready here, it's an adjective. To leave here, it is infinitive that is functioning as an adverb. Then we have eager. Eager, it's an adjective, and to learn, it is functioning as an adverb infinitive. Then we have afraid. Afraid, again here, what is it? It's an adjective, and to speak here, it is functioning as adverb infinitive. Then it goes on, surprise, the same. Then to hear the news, it's the phrase. As told you, I said that also phrases can be correct here. There's no difference. Infinitive phrase or infinitive, the same things happen. Same thing also happens for adjective. Infinitive adjective also. We have proud. To be a teacher. It's infinitive phrase functioning as an adverb. Then we have sorry. It's the adjective to interrupt you. It's infinitive adverb. Lucky. Lucky, we have here lucky, which is adjective. To win the prize, it's the phrase, infinitive phrase, which is functioning as an adverb. Then we have heavy. Heavy, which is adjective. To carry, it functions as an infinitive adverb. It's functioning as an infinitive adverb. And last one, difficult. You have difficult, and also to understand that, as I mentioned, it is infinitive that is functioning as an adverb here. So the discussion for this one is also completely over. We've talked about infinitive as adverb, that what is adverb itself, and when do we say that infinitive is functioning as an adverb. And also I gave you examples. We also talked about adjective. The discussion for this one is completely over as well. So kinds of adjective, kinds of infinitives. In the next video, I'm going to talk about the kinds of infinitives. So goodbye until the next video.